Hi, my name is Dawn Schultz, and I've been a resident at Windward Passage for just over 10 years now. It's been important for me to get an EV station installed because I really wanted to buy an EV. And in the meantime, have a plug-in hybrid, but I want to go full EV, so a charging station would make that a lot more doable. Some of the challenges we ran into initially in trying to get, first was we needed to convince the board that this was the right thing to do for the building. And I think some things that helped, we assured the residents that the users of the EV charging station would be paying for the electricity. And in order to pay for the charging station itself, the state had some large rebates going on right now and federal tax credit. And all that was very helpful, and I think helped convince the board that this was the right way to go.
From the perspective of the board of directors, we did a survey. We found out that a large majority of the residents were in favor of installing EV charging systems on the property. And two, it made financial sense because of the rebates. It did not cost us all that much money at the time and will enhance the value of property. So we finally wound up with two level 2 chargers from Chargepoint. Or we were looking for a system that wouldn't take any work from us. And the system that we're going to employ basically will take care of all the bookkeeping and just send us a check.
It's installed and it is operational, but we haven't advertised it a whole lot, but because people keep seeing in the back of the building, every time I'm in the lobby, people will say, can we use that? Is that for us? And so I get a lot of questions. It seems like there is a little bit of excitement, and I think once we're finished and we can actually advertise and let people know it's there, how to use it, how to get registered. And so the hope is that we'll see a whole lot more people getting EVs in the future. I'd like to tell other condo associations that this is doable. There are little bumps along the way, but they're manageable, and we're kind of proof positive that it can happen.